Hi there, this is Matt Mernon. I'm going to go over the structural hierarchy of the website. As you can see right here, I have a sitemap for the entire website, and I'll just go over it quickly. We got the main navigation in these gray boxes here, so blog, services, portfolio, news, about, contact. That's our primary navigation. You're also going to be able to link through on the homepage to the public relations, marketing, communications and branding, internet marketing, social media strategy and management, web design and development, and also an e-content or e-downloads page. That's still a working title. So today I'm going to be going over only the conversion pages because these are the ones that we need to focus on the content hierarchy, because these are also the landing pages for your pay-per-click campaign and your any other SEO marketing you plan on doing. So within public relations, we have media relations, special events, online rep, management, and awards. Marketing communication, as you can see, advertising, copywriting, graphic design, print production, direct mail, promotional items, awards. Internet marketing page is going to have search engine marketing. It's also going to link to the social media strategy and management page, which is up here. Email marketing, website content strategy and development, website analytics and conversion optimization, or excuse me, conversation optimization, and case studies. And go to social media page. We have social network management, social content strategy and development, blog management and outreach, blog writing, online reputation management, measurement and evaluation, case study and awards. And then under the web design and development, I wanted to have an emphasis on linking to internet marketing on there. And after that, it's going to be blog development, interactive development, website content strategy and development, and which is also one of these other pages. And the website analytics is also another page to link to, and search engine marketing, the same thing. So let's go ahead and start off with the wireframes. We have the wireframe for the home page. Let me zoom in a little bit, make it easier. You can follow these notes on your own copy, but if you want to just follow on this video, I'll explain everything, at least my proposed idea. So this is going to be the home page layout. You have the logo in the top left, and you have your primary navigation in the top, which will make it easier for the users to locate the pages that they need to navigate through. The next section is going to be an interactive header. As you can see, this will have typography differences to emphasize more important information, as well as just another follow-through tag here. And then there's going to be a button to click through to the public relations page. This is the public relations header, and we're still deciding if we want to do a video for this section or a supporting image. Now, as you can see, these call to action, CTA is call to action. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What I plan on doing is, in this order, I believe it's public relations. Here I can see public relations, marketing, communication, and branding, social media and strategy management, internet marketing, and then web design and development. So that's the order on the home page. And what I propose is when the user puts their mouse over this button, then this content will change accordingly. I thought about using the automatic transitioning, and I don't find those appropriate. I think they're overused, and you end up pulling the user's attention away from what they're trying to do, and I think that can be a little detrimental for the visitor while they're on the page for such a short time. So the second one, you would hover over it, and then this top content would change with a call to action to that specific page. Okay, so moving on down to throughout the page, you have this would be like, we could use the company slogan, or you can use the company mission statement, and then it would go into the primary content of the home page. We have a call to action for the e-download section, and we have the top recent blog posts, which would be feeding in based on a specific category that we give it. This section right here will be recent clients. I considered doing a scrolling bar down here which gave the user access to non-recent clients, but I think recent clients says it all, and it should be only the recent clients. You shouldn't give the user too many more options. And the same thing with recent awards. There'll probably be 4 or 5 on here. I'd prefer if they weren't able to scroll further, or else it wouldn't be called recent awards. Okay, to go along with the recent awards and the recent clients, since they don't have a specific page dedicated to them. Wait, let me just double check that I'm not saying something that's not true. Okay, the awards page does have its own specific page. But instead of pushing them away to a non-conversion page, I propose on having a rollover effect that's very subtle to give the user the idea that they can click on it. Once they click on it, I want it's called a light box, and basically the entire screen will get a gray transparent color, and then the image would be in the middle, giving more details about that specific reward. Okay, so we're going to move on. I actually got a little ahead of myself, and I decided to put together a teaser color mock-up of the homepage, which we'll cover right now. Let me zoom in a little bit further. So this is what I propose the homepage look like, or the theme of the entire website. So we have the branded colors, we have different icons to support each title here, and we have these nice big call to actions here. There's no second guessing what this is going to do when the user clicks on it. As you can see up here, I haven't decided for image or video yet. Here's the company slogan at the moment. Here's a little blurb of information about the company, the downloads, call to action, and this is the blog roll. You'll be able to click on the title or the more button to view that specific blog, or that specific entry, I should say. So let's go ahead and go to the next page. Everything is pretty much similar. I tried to keep the sidebar consistent throughout most of the pages. I think it gives the user a feeling of comfort when they can compare other pages to each other. So this would be the awards related to public relations. And the blog roll, we can, if we decide, we can also have the blog roll only pull up information that's related to public relations. So this way they're not getting, or they're only getting relevant content on this page, especially when it comes to converting users. You want a user to click on your ad on Google and that ad go to a page that's exactly relevant to the ad they clicked on. Makes sense. So this will be kind of like a gateway to the conversion page. Or I'm sorry, this is the conversion page. It would have the main information right here about public relations and a contact us form up in the top right. So we'll go ahead and move on down. This phone number section, I plan on making this a little bit larger and nicer looking other than just text, but this is the secondary call to action. Okay, and then moving on to the next page, it's basically the same thing. We have 2 different call to actions in the sidebar this time, and we have the blog. And then it's just the content laid out a little bit differently. Same top header. It's going to have the important message plus the contact us form. Next page, also similar layout with 2 call to actions and the blog roll. And then the information laid out a little bit differently from the previous page. And so on and so forth. So I want the website to have a nice clean flow, and I want the users to feel comfortable using it wherever they are on the page. I like consistency, and I love structural hierarchy. It only makes sense to put your most important things up top. So if you guys have any questions, you know how to contact me, and we'll be in touch soon. Thanks for watching.